Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, I'm gonna show you how to connect Ubisoft account to Twitch account. So first, go to official Twitch and press the button login, present at the top right. Then, type username, password, and click on login. At this point, click on account icon at the top right and click on the option settings. Then move to the tab connections. Scroll down and press the button login, present next to the item Ubisoft. Next, hit the button to start by your compliant login via Twitch and authorize, in order to allow the Ubisoft account to obtain your Twitch profile information. Then click on the bottom, Activate my account. By doing so, you will provide your membership to receive the rewards associated with linking the two profiles. At this point, press the button Close. And you have successfully paired it. And that's all. I hope this video helped you guys. For more videos, subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thank you for watching. See you again.